Step by step, uploading your products to the EVOKE Marketplace. Ensure that you're already logged into your account. Click on the store icon above to proceed. The options will appear next. Choose the first option labeled Store Manager. This is the page where you can upload your products. The products you successfully upload will also appear here. Click the Add Product button located above. When uploading a product, you will need to complete all 7 steps. It's important to complete each step to ensure your product is properly listed and displayed with all necessary details, making it easier for customers to find and purchase. Category and basic information. This step is essential because selecting the correct category and providing accurate basic information ensures your product is organized properly and easily discoverable by customers. A well-defined category and detailed product information improve search visibility and help customers find exactly what they're looking for. Start with category. Click the drop-down menu to view the available options. Choose the appropriate category for your product. Next is the basic information section. Here, enter the product name and description. Price and inventory. This step involves setting the correct price for your product and entering the available stock quantity when uploading it to an online store or inventory system. Proper pricing ensures competitiveness and profitability, while accurate inventory management prevents overselling and stockouts, helping maintain customer satisfaction and smooth order fulfillment. You will need to enter the retail price of your product. You will need to enter the wholesale price of your product. Tokens accepted, % of wholesale price. This refers to the 10% of the wholesale price that can be paid using tokens. Why it's important. It gives customers the option to use their tokens to pay for a product, encouraging repeat purchases and increasing customer loyalty. It also provides an alternative payment method for those who prefer using tokens over traditional payment. Enter the quantity of your product stock. Enter the unique SKU, stock keeping unit, for this product to help track and manage inventory. Enter the name of the brand or manufacturer associated with the product. This helps customers identify the product's origin and quality. Select the special occasion or event where this product is ideal for. This helps customers understand when the product would be most suitable for use or gifting. Enter the duration of time during which the product is covered by a warranty. This guarantees that the product will be repaired or replaced if it has defects or issues within the specified time frame. Hit save and continue to proceed to the next step. Photos and video. You can add up to 10 photos and 1 video for your product. This step is essential because it allows customers to visually explore the product, enhancing their understanding and boosting their confidence in making a purchase. High-quality images and videos help showcase key features, size, and details, making the product more appealing and informative. It also provides a more engaging shopping experience, increasing the likelihood of conversions and reducing returns due to unmet expectations. To upload the primary photo, click the Add Photo button. Please remember that the supported formats are JPG, PNG, and WEBP. The maximum file size is 10 megabytes, and the recommended dimensions are 500 px width by 500 px height. You can also add a 3D image by pasting the URL in the designated field. You need to add the product's COA, Certificate of Authentication, by clicking on the image icon below 3D image URL space. Please remember that the supported formats for the product COA are JPG, PNG, and WEBP. The maximum file size is 10 megabytes, and the recommended dimensions are 500px width by 300px height. The image should have a white background. To add more photos, simply click the photo icons, and you'll be able to upload the additional photos you wish to add. Hit save and continue to proceed. Attributes and specifications. This step allows you to add important details about your product, such as size, color, and material. It helps customers find your product more easily and understand exactly what they're buying. Click on the drop-down menu and select from the available options. And add the specific attribute value of your product. And hit the Add button. Click Add More to add more attributes. Hit Save and continue to proceed. SEO and marketing. This step involves optimizing your product listing to make it more discoverable in search engines and on various platforms. It includes adding relevant keywords, product descriptions, and other marketing information that help attract potential customers. This is where you'll add tags, which are keywords or phrases that describe your product and help customers find it more easily through search. Type the tag and click the Add button for it to be added. Repeat the process as you add more tags. The meta title and meta description are essential elements for SEO, search engine optimization. These are the text snippets that appear in search engine results when someone looks for your product. Hit save and continue to proceed. Shipping. This step involves setting up the shipping details for your product, including the shipping method, costs, and delivery times. It's crucial for ensuring that customers know how their orders will be delivered and what the associated costs will be. Choose how you want to ship your product by clicking the circle mark. You can either ship with EVOKE FedEx or ship with your account. Setting. This is where you choose how your product listing will appear in your shop. You can select options like visibility, categories, and whether the product will be featured or on sale. Click Change Policy to view the information required. The first step is to enable whether you want to accept returns. You accept the return of the product, or exchanges. You accept exchanges for the product. If you do not accept returns or exchanges, you can leave both options disabled. Next, for the timeframe, click the drop-down menu to choose the available timeframe options for your shipping or delivery time. Once done, hit Save and Apply. Wait for it to fully load and process before proceeding. Hit Save and continue to proceed. Page Builder. The Page Builder workspace allows you to easily add engaging content to your product page at the attribute location. This tool helps you customize and enhance your product page with images, text, or other elements to make it more appealing and informative for customers. Choose a structure by clicking on the different structure options in the middle. This will allow you to select the layout you prefer for your product page. Fill out the necessary information, such as header text, where you can enter the product name. This helps to clearly display the product's title at the top of the page. Description section with details about your product. This is where you can provide important information such as features, benefits, and any other relevant details that help customers understand the product better. Click the image icon to add a photo to the product page. Also, the image should be in JPG, PNG, or WEBP format, with dimensions of 500 by 500 pixels and a file size of under 10 megabytes. Hit Save and continue to proceed. Once you have completed all the steps in the product upload process, you will be able to view a preview version of your product. This allows you to see how your product listing will appear to customers, ensuring that all the details, images, descriptions, and settings are correct before it goes live. It's a chance to double-check everything, make any necessary adjustments, and ensure your product is presented in the best possible way. After reviewing the preview, you can finalize the listing and make it visible to your customers. And that is how to upload your products to the EVOKE Marketplace. Thank you for watching.